One.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Well, secondhand Sally with the ruby red dresses. Well, she loves her some Jesus and $2 dresses. The thing she was a princess by the things that she wore, but she got them all out the secondhand store. She don't want no Prince Charming in a business suit, but Sally's glass slipper was a cowboy boot. Yeah, a cowboy boot. Well, secondhand Sally was a county queen. Well, but that kind of living wasn't Sally's thing. Yeah, Sally had a style that was all her own. $10 jewels and a bar stool throne. She got friends on a jacket and long tall boots in a ragtop Mustang and a Daisy too. She loves her some Jesus and $2 dresses. The thing she was a princess by the things that she wore, but she got them all at the secondhand store. She don't want no Prince Charming in a business suit, but Sally's glass slipper was a cowboy boot. Yeah, a cowboy boot. One day a little boy and his good-hearted daddy Cincinnati, looking for a little peace cause it's hot all the city. Driving through town, he spotted something pretty. She was barefoot on the corner with a stand-up bass, playing a rockabilly version of Amazing Grace. Secondhand Sally with her ruby red dresses. Well, she loves her some Jesus and $2 dresses. She was a princess by the things that she wore, but she got them all at the secondhand store. She don't want no Prince Charming in a business suit. Sally's glass slipper was a cowboy boot. Yeah, a cowboy boot. Come on, me. Well, the two fell in love in a blaze of glory. Oh, but that wasn't all. I know there's more to the story. Those $6 boots sure did look swell with the wedding dress she bought at the local Goodwill. She said I do to her old Prince Charming in his $5 tux from the Salvation Army. She loves her some Jesus and $2 dresses. The thing she was a princess by the things that she wore, but she got them all at the secondhand store. She don't want no Prince Charming in a business suit. Oh, no, no, no. She don't want no Prince Charming in a business suit. Oh, no, no, no. Well, she got a Prince Charming in a secondhand suit, and they both walked down the aisle in their cowboy boots. Yeah, the cowboy boots. Yeah, the cowboy boots. Ooh, ooh. A little original right there for you called Secondhand Sally.